Hey y'all, it's Brooke here from Large Family Homestead, and today we're going to be making refrigerator pickled peppers. So you're going to start by getting a pound of peppers. We're going to be using banana peppers, 1 clove of garlic, a quart mason jar or any jar you want to store your pickled peppers in, distilled white vinegar. You're also going to need water, celery seed, whole peppercorns, and salt. You're going to start by cutting the top off your peppers, and then you can go ahead and cut the rest into rings. If you want, you can remove the seeds. We left them in to add a little extra spice to our rings. Also, while we were doing this, we started boiling 2 cups of water. Next, you're going to go ahead and chop up that clove of garlic and add it to your jar. Next, you're going to take your 2 cups of boiling water in a jar and add 1 cup of distilled white vinegar. Then you're going to add a tablespoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of celery seeds, and a half a teaspoon of peppercorns. Once you start in, go ahead and pour it over your jar and shake well. Put a cap on it, and then stick it in the refrigerator for at least 2 days before eating. Thanks y'all for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe and like and turn on your notifications so you can see every time we post a new video.